Get ready. 5 seconds to go. Start. This criminal petition is filed under section 482 Criminal Procedure Code seeking to quash the proceedings in criminal complaint number 135 of 2010 on the file of the judicial magistrate of first class at Visakhapatnam district. Stop. The second respondent, food inspector, has filed a complaint against the petitioners accused, alleging that on 6th May 2008 at 4:30 p.m. when he visited GVL Ice Factory along with his staff, he found that ice is being manufactured with water for the purpose of selling the same to the public for the purpose of drinking and storage of fish in the chemical factories. The complainant purchased ice and packed it in 3 containers and sent one sample for analysis to the public analyst along with Form 7. The local health authority received the report from the public analyst dated 16th June 2008, stating that the sample sent by him is adulterated and therefore the second respondent contained sanction and filed complaint on 8th July 2010. Learned Sri P.A. Nageswar Rao, Learned Counsel for the parties, and Sri Naresh, Learned Public Prosecutor, representing the state of Andhra Pradesh. Stop. Learned Counsel for the petitioners argued that the petitioners have not committed any offence and they are falsely implicated in the present case and therefore sought for quashing of proceedings against them. It is further submitted that water is excluded specifically from the definition of food and drinks under section 2 of the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954. For short, the act, the mere conversion of water into ice without adding any substance to it will not bring ice within the purview of section 2 of the act. Learned Counsel placed reliance on a decision of this court in BVR Reddy versus State of Andhra Pradesh 2009 and submitted that this court has considered a similar case in that case and quashed the proceedings, holding that ice is not a food article and hence the provisions of the act do not apply to the instant case. It is further submitted that notice under section 13 of the act was served on the petitioners on 26th November 2010 and the said notice was not sent by the registered post along with copy of the analysis report received in Form 3rd from the public analyst within the stipulated time of 10 days of receipt of the report. from public analyst. It is further submitted that there is inordinate delay in serving the Section 13 notice hereby. The petitioners have lost their valuable right to get the sample analyzed by the Central Laboratory. Learned Council has also placed reliance in a case stop.